Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review something a little different. This is something that's been sent to us by XreArt, or XreArt, depending on how you pronounce it. Anyway, I'm going to use my jerry-rig everything knife and we'll cut into this relatively large parcel, which we haven't seen the likes of this type of product for a while on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now, as I use the Tech Travel Geeks or jerry-rig everything knife to cut into this product, we can see that on the inside there's some black cardboard. So I'm going to take this very well packaged bubble wrap off, and it is a large parcel, and we'll look at it from the top down. So you can see there's a big XreArt logo at the front, and I'm going to just open it up like a bit of a pizza box. And guess what? There's more XreArt logos on the inside. And this one you can lift up. I'm going to put this box to the side. And we'll take XreArt cover off. And on the inside there's a little bit of styrofoam protecting what is a deconstructed iPhone 4. Yes, an Apple iPhone 4 in its deconstructed form. In this case you can see all the key elements of the iPhone 4. So the display, which at the time was revolutionary, it was a Retina display, which was 640 by 960 pixels, and had an insane pixel density, which was 326 pixels per inch. In today's standards, that's really not that much. Most phones average around about 400 pixels per inch. But at the time, as I said, this is almost 10 years ago now, that was revolutionary. And as you can see, there's other elements here, such as the home button, the battery, the cables to connect the screen and all the different components, the volume up and down button, the casing itself in metal, and the logic board where the processor and all the other key chips are, as well as a SIM card tray and in this case, the glass back to it, which was shatterproof. Now, the iPhone 4 came with quite a lot of controversy, mainly around the fact that it had reception issues, that the industrial design valued looks over functionality, and that was because if you held it in a certain manner, actually how Apple had their initial marketing materials, you'd block the antennas and you'd drop reception. So this was quite an issue at the time for Apple, and they've iterated on their future designs to avoid that happening again. But this is the iPhone 4 deconstructed. I'll just take in this case, the styrofoam off the back, and we can have a look at how this is framed. So in terms of frames, you see you not only have the frames themselves, but you also have clips for hanging this on the wall. And I'll do that. I will actually be framing this just above my desk in my office. I'll just clip this in and then hang it using the included hanging clips. So before you go, I will just give you the pleasure of the unboxing experience of taking the plastic wrapper, protective anti-scratch wrapper, off the front of the deconstructed iPhone 4. There we go. Key part of any unboxing is get the plastic off. This is taking a little bit more effort than I was expecting. Anyway, thank you to XreArt for sending us this lovely example of a deconstructed iPhone 4. As I said, I will have this above my desk to remind me every day of the complexity of some of the hardware that we use on a day-to-day basis, and where a lot of the industrial design of the last few years has come from, where we've moved from this type of industrial design are relatively small smartphones to today's relatively large ones. Bearing in mind this is my Pixel 6a, which is classed as a compact smartphone by many. Anyway, thanks to XreArt for sending us this review device. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.